Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's the number 106. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 106. Then we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And then here it talks about Dr. Bosch's dollhouse that was from the 1890s through the 1900s. Because as we've seen in other entries, dollhouse making was a very popular activity. So luckily there's many antique dollhouses that have been well cared for in museums all over the world. And here it shows some examples of doll shoes. Some of these kind of look like shoes that I could imagine people wearing, even if they're really worn out because they're old, like these for example. Those look like something a person could easily wear. Oh well, let's open this up. And here we have some other examples of some different types of shoes. I really like these ones. These remind me a bit to a pair of ballet flats that I had when I was in high school that I really loved. And here, guys, it shows you how to prepare the windowsill for the dollhouse that we got with this number. Here it shows you the step-by-steps of how to do it. But well, guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will be building the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to notify you guys whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it talks a bit about Marie Curie, which was a great female scientist. That's one of the great things about this collection, is it not only shows you how to build the dollhouse, but it gives you a bit of history as well. So you know kind of the historical content, like the historical context, I'm sorry, of the time that the house would have been built, which is pretty cool. There she is with her husband. And well guys, here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, of course, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, now it's time to see the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our new windowsill. It looks really cute. Let me just open it up and we can have a nice look at it. I know that some of you are a bit disappointed that the windows and doors are made out of plastic, but personally, I don't know. I feel like it's good that it's made out of plastic, because I feel like with the time, it would get very humid and would maybe fall apart, and we don't want that. And I don't know. I think with maybe a bit of weathering, it could look really, really great. But that's just my opinion. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. I love the arches here. And well guys, that's the end of that. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. So I look forward to hearing from you guys on there. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links, as always, down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.